Hope, we went to the church to get your mother. She wasn't there.
What? No, I protected her. I wrote the perfect cloaking spell. I kept her safe. I don't understand. The coffin was just empty.
The coffin was destroyed. Whatever happened to your mother didn't happen without a fight. I know it wasn't your intention for someone to get hurt. I know you did this because I left you with no choice. Sweetheart, look at me. This is my fault. I'm gonna fix it. I've already spoken to Alaric. You'll go back to Mystic Falls tonight. I need to know you're safe. What is it? Hope?
Go, you have to get out. You have to get out.
I'll find your mother. And I swear I'll return her to you. I love you. Relished in the joy.